Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at uslthconcern.com, a clothing brand that claims to raise awareness for serious issues like Alzheimer's, mental health, and cancer. It sounds noble enough, but let's see if their heart is actually in the right place or if they're just after your wallet. The first red flag is that the domain was registered in February 2025. It's so fresh it hasn't even had its first birthday. And while being new isn't a crime, it's hard to trust a brand that has less history than a viral TikTok trend. Things get even weirder when you look at the products. They look nice at first glance, but a quick reverse image search reveals that many of these photos were borrowed from other sources. Apparently, taking their own photos was too much work, so they decided to crowdsource their entire catalog from the rest of the internet. Then there's the About Us page, which is essentially a digital ghost town. There are no names, no photos, and zero information about who is actually running the show. I suppose when your business model is this mysterious, anonymity is the ultimate fashion statement. The marketing is where the desperation really starts to show. The site is plastered with 10% discounts and aggressive, only a few left, warnings. It's the kind of high-pressure urgency that makes you feel like the building is on fire, but really, they're just trying to rush you past your common sense. To top it off, their on-site reviews are suspiciously perfect, yet the rest of the internet has never even heard of them. No mentions on Reddit or Trustpilot usually means those 5-star ratings were probably written by the owner's pet. With no transparency and a collection of red flags, you should definitely think twice before hitting that buy button. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.